Welcome back to the Wildings Landing. I'm going to just give a brief intro to what I'm filming and then shut up. Right in the middle of my screen, I know it's really shaky. I'm having to hold my arm up, and there is a red-tailed hawk. And there I have 5 or 6 blue jays swarming around him, screaming. He's flew at one of them, but then he retreated. So I'm going to just kind of, I don't know if you can really see him. I can see him plain as day, but I'm not so sure that's coming up on the camera. Alright, hold on. He's watching me like, great. I have another intrusion. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. Trying to keep my camera up that way so that if he flies, you'll get to see him. There he is. Sorry guys. I was way high. I'm fine doing it for you. I'm trying to back up and sit down. Alright, hold on. Searching for him in screen. Okay, I completely lost my angle. Okay. He's much more camouflaged now. You can just hear the griping back and forth. I'm gonna try to move again. He's more concerned about me than he is the Blue Jays. Although him and I cohabitate quite a bit, he wouldn't be upset with me necessarily. He flies down and hangs out a lot. Just trying to give you an oh, he turned his back. Now I really won't be able to see him. Oh, did you get him out flying away? Well, he didn't fly that far. Alright, thank you for joining me, folks. Just thought I would bring you a little bit of the entertainment and what I witness on a daily basis, or when I'm here I get to see. Alright, thank you for joining me.